Zambales culture is shaped by its indigenous roots and colonial influences. The Sambal people are the dominant group with the Aitas and the earliest inhabitants, known for their forest knowledge and traditional dances like talipi. Festival highlight local life. The Dimulag Mango Festival celebrates the world-renowned sweet mangoes, while the Larok Larok Festival revives post-harvest rice crisp tradition. Town fiestas honor patron saint with procession of communal peace. Cuisine blends coastal and agricultural boundary, featuring mango-based streets, dried fish, nilupak, mushroot crops, and royal bibingka. Arts include pottery using local black sand and weaving with Spanish colonial architecture seen in heritage churches like San Agustin in Iba. Next, let's proceed attraction of Zambales. Zambales, a province in Philippines Central Luzon region. It's renowned for its diverse attraction, blending nature, history, and culture. Beaches. It boasts pristine coastline like Anawangin Cove with volcanic sand and lagoons, and Nagasa Cove, ideal for swimming and camping. Mountains of Mount Pinatubo, famous for its 1991 eruption, now offers treks to its crater. Food, it is known for fresh seafoods and delicacies like benungay, sticky rice cooked in bamboo. Now let's proceed the amazing history of Zambales. The province was originally inhabited by the Aitas Malays from the Celebes Sea and other indigenous groups. The name Zambales is derived from Malay word samba, meaning to worship, as the Spanish found locals worshipping ancestral spirits called anitos. In Spanish colonial era, in 1572, Spanish explorer Juan de Salcedo formally organized Zambales as a province which initially included towns now part of the Pangasinan. Masinloc, established in 1607, was the first capital. Other early towns like Iba 1611 and Santa Cruz 1612 followed. The Spanish built churches and introduced Christianity, with Augustinian Recollect missionaries playing a key role. Thank you for joining us today as we learn the history, attraction, and culture of Zambales. That's all. Thank you.